Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are all fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to start exercises of the unit number 8, a flash of light. I hope you have thoroughly read the text. Now let's move towards the exercises. Comprehension. A1. Answer the following questions. The first question is, where was Valentine and what was he thinking about? Its answer is at page number 84. He was in a neighborhood he was not very familiar with. He was on his way home and was thinking about the warm room and the glowing fire that would greet him on his arrival. Next question is, how did Valentine come to meet the beggar? Its answer is also at page number 84 in the second paragraph. Before Valentine could cross the road, he heard a rustling sound behind him. He turned and saw in the shadows of a wide doorway a man standing with his hat in his hand. This is the way how he met the old beggar. C. How much money did Valentine give to the beggar? Its answer is at page number 85. We can find the answer here when the beggar said, "You have given me a franc instead of a sou." So here we come to know that he have given a franc to the beggar. Next question is, how did the blind beggar know what the coin was? Its answer is also at page number 85. The beggar said, "It is enough for me to pass my finger over it." So we come to know that he knew about the coin by just touching that. Next question is, how was Valentine able to start a school for the blind? Its answer is also at page number 85. With the help of money donated by the public, Valentine Howey was able to start a school for the blind. Next question is, which are some of the common words that have their own braille symbol? Its answer is at page number 86. The words like and, it, if, for, the have one braille symbol each. The last question is, when Valentine first met the beggar, why did he give the beggar money? Again come to page number 84 to find its answer. Valentine was a kind, soft-hearted man and had thought a lot about the problems of blind people. He had often wondered how he could be of help to the blind. So that's why he helped the blind beggar, because he was worried about their problems. Exercise A2. Say whether the following statements about the passage are true or false. If the statement is true, you will write T. If the statement is false, you will write F in front of the statement. A. Valentine seldom thought about blind people. It is false. Write F, because he did not thought seldom about the blind people. He thought a lot about the blind people. B. Blind people can distinguish any mark on paper. It is also false. Write F. Blind people cannot distinguish any mark. They can distinguish only the marks that are raised ones. C. Valentine gave the blind beggar a sou. No, it is also wrong. Write F, because he gave a franc to the blind beggar. D. A sou is of more value than a franc. It is also false. Write F. The franc has more value. Question A3. Answer the following questions with reference to context. And the line from the text is, this was like a flash of light in Valentine's head. First question is, whose words triggered the flash of light in Valentine's head? Its answer is, the blind beggar's words triggered the flash of light in Valentine's head. Next question is, what had the person done before this? Come to page number 85 to find its answer. Here when the beggar said, "You have made a mistake. You have given me a franc instead of a sou." So before that line we come to know that he have mistakenly given a franc instead of a sou. The last question is, what did Valentine think about after this? To find its answer, come to page number 85. He thought, if the blind can distinguish at the least touch a piece of money, why should they not distinguish a mark a letter, or a figure.
Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.